is, guys. The frequency intelligence exhaust. I would be lying to you if I told you I didn't open it yet, but as you guys see, I got pretty excited. Let's open up this beautiful exhaust. Alright, you guys. The FI Volcano version for the LP750 Aventador. This also fits the 700, I believe, as well. So first, heat shielding. So this is basically the heat shield for the car. It protects all the metals and the pipes and everything from catching on fire and stuff. Very necessary to keep your car away from the flames. Keep that right there. Oh, Tiganya, mama shini, mama. Mystery box. Let's look for the scissors. Here we go, box cutter. All right, let's see what's in here. What I'm guessing is all the instruction manual and the modules for the Valvetronic system are in here. Handle with care. All right. Oh, I was wrong. The tips. Oh, look how sick that looks. Oh my god. Guys, look at the welding on this. This is insane. So basically, these tips are the black chrome tips. They had a couple options when I was looking into this exhaust. You had the gold tips, forged carbon tips, titanium blue tips, or the black chrome. I went with the black chrome because it matches the car better. All right, so let's put this with the heat shield. I don't want to break it. But here it is. Wow. Oh god, this thing looks sick. What? This is gonna definitely go on the car. This is for the Valvetronic system. Look at the new. This is sick. Look at that. Isn't that sick? Look how crazy. This is the remote for the Valvetronic system. I went for the Valvetronic system because I do not want my neighbors to hate me. So this is the best thing to go with. Once I come in the neighborhood, I can shut it off. This has to be by far one of the craziest and sickest Valvetronic remotes I've ever seen. And all right, let's put this to the side. Go on to the next thing. Oh my god. And last but not least, the Valvetronic catback. I'm not even gonna attempt to take this out, but just so you guys have an idea. Look at that. Insane. There we go, step one. So there you guys have it. Step 2 is complete. The bumper is finally off. Oh my god. So that is the stock SV exhaust. It looks so ugly. And that is the new exhaust for the Aventador. So this is my first time hearing the car, by the way, after the exhaust is put in. And we got Frank here, my service advisor. Oh my god! You ready to see some flames?